Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with Bear. Today we are going against my bachelor natural instinct and we're going to bake something in the oven. If you want to find out what it is, stick around. Alright y'all, what we're making today is ham, broccoli, and potato casserole. Again, like I said, going against everything, that I stand for as a bachelor cooker, and we're going to use the oven. So, I guess I don't have anything planned for the next hour or so after we get this put together, so I can be tied to this oven and make sure nothing, burns, catches on fire, or whatever. So, let's get started. I'm going to need a 9x13 baking dish, and spray the bottom of it, a little cooking spray there, and then we supposed to be French fries. I'm using hash browns. It says a 16 ounce bag. This is a big bag. This is a, so we're just gonna kind of cover the bottom good with them. That looks good to me. And then we need the 16 ounce pack of frozen broccoli. Recipe doesn't say to thaw it or anything, so I'm just gonna kind of break it up and get it into a single layer. Yeah, it looks good. And then it said 1.5 cups of chopped ham. Sprinkle it all up in there. This might be slightly more than 1.5 cups, but how can you go wrong adding more ham? Alright. Now, I need to mix up the sauce that goes over it, which consists of a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 10 3/4 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup, and 1 can of milk. So I'm going to grab a bowl, we'll get that mixed up and see how it looks. Alright y'all, ready to make this sauce up for the liquid part of this deal. So I gotta get a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and this is real mayonnaise. This ain't salad dressing, Miracle Whip, whatever you want to call it. There's that. Get that out of there. Get that out of my way. Can of cream of mushroom soup. Come on. Oh, she was working. There we go. Alright. And then one of those cans of milk. Alright. It says to mix that together. I'm making a mess over my stove, which I hate. Hate having a messy stove or a messy workstation, wet work counter, whatever. So, alright. I'm going to get that stuff mixed up, kind of clean, and we'll bring you all back. Finally got that all mixed up. I just ended up using a whisk on it. So, now you're supposed to pour it evenly over the broccoli and stuff. Broccoli or the mixture of the dish. So I don't know how evenly we were pouring it, but we got it poured. And this is, of course, is another one of the recipes that I've never ever made before, so we don't know how it's going to turn out. Don't know if we're putting it together right, but we are putting it together. So, got a little spooge on my work surface there. Alright. Last thing before we put her in the oven, which I've had the oven preheating to 375, is they said to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it, which I don't know how all this is going to taste with Parmesan cheese, but we're fixing to find out. So they said 1 cup. This is probably a cup and a half. It's what I had left in the fridge, so we're just gonna kind of evenly distribute it over the top there as best we can. My choice, I probably would have used cheddar, but you know, we're gonna follow the recipe to the letter this time. Next time, if we have to, we will change it up. So, all right, now we're going to pop this in the oven and bake it. Sorry, we're going to bake it for 40 minutes. So I'm going to tie myself to this stove for 40 minutes. And, well, 40 plus minutes probably. And, yeah, we're going to do some cooking. So let me get this in there, get the timer going, and I'll go twiddle my thumbs for 40 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. It's been 40 minutes of agonizing boredom being tied to the stove here. Our ham, potato, and broccoli casserole appears to be done. So, yeah, that's 40 minutes of my life I'll never get back. But, hey, got a decent looking meal here. So, alright, I'm going to grab me a bowl and a spatula, something to scoop it out of there with, whatever, and we'll give her a taste test. Alright, y'all. Got our casserole here. We're going to try to get a little bit of everything there. We got cheese, the broccoli, taters, ham. Got a good flavor. Try a little more. Not bad, not bad. Beverage of the day, we just got a nice piping hot cup of coffee. Good as always. The only thing on there, I think I would use cheddar cheese on it next time. Not that the Parmesan has a bad flavor or anything. I just think broccoli and cheddar cheese go better together, and ham and cheddar cheese go good together. So, yeah, I think that's how I would make it for the next one. Guess it's not bad being tied to the oven for 40 minutes. Yeah, I guess it's good. So, hey y'all, sitting here editing this video up. I wanted to let you know that I did put it back in the oven for probably another 20 minutes, trying to thicken it up some. After I did the taste test and everything and set the bowl down and got ready to eat, eat the bowl of stuff that I pulled out, it was still real runny, so I wanted it thicker. So I did put it in for approximately another 20 minutes at that 375. It browned up a little bit better, and it got a little thicker. So y'all can do what you want to do. But yeah, I cooked it for probably an additional 20 minutes. So hope that helps you out. Worth 40 minutes, I guess. So anyways, appreciate you all watching. Like this video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do here, and you'll catch the upcoming videos and everything of garage stuff and cooking stuff and all the good stuff. Plus, you'll get notified of the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time, right here on the channel, and Appreciate y'all, love y'all, and bon appetit.